This is Laura from Homemade in Canada. The social distance is getting longer and longer, but you continue to keep it well. I hope you see the blue sky and get comforted. Today, I am going to show you the popular chicken galbi dish in Korea. I think it would be delicious to eat with spaghetti. You can be loved at the table with special menu 닭갈비 spaghetti. It's really yummy. Please look forward how to make it. We need chicken legs, soy sauce, sugar, red pepper paste, red pepper powder, cooking wine, minced garlic, sesame oil, oyster sauce, mozzarella cheese, parmesan canola oil, onion, green pepper, broccoli, mushrooms, carrot, yam, green onions, pepper, spaghetti noodles. Cut the chicken legs with scissors and separate the bone and flesh. Make sauce. Put soy sauce, cooking wine, red pepper paste, red pepper powder, minced garlic, sugar, and oyster sauce. Mix well and add sesame oil. Add pepper and mix. Add half of the sauce to the chicken thigh. Slice the onion thinly. Slice the yam and cut it in half. Slice the carrot as well and the mushroom in the same way. Slice the green pepper and the green onion finely. Put marinated chicken thigh in a pan. Add sliced carrots, onions, broccoli, mushrooms, and yams, and mix well. After adding the remaining sauce, put the sliced green peppers and mix well. Pour about 3/4 cup of water and stir and boil. Cut the cooked chicken into pieces that are easy to eat. Add chopped green onions and stir well to finish 닭갈비. Pour water to the pan and boil. Add the canola oil and spaghetti noodles in boiling water and boil. Take out all the boiled spaghetti noodles and drain the water. Add the drained spaghetti noodles to the 닭갈비 and mix well. Add the cheese and mix. You can add more cheese to according your taste. Cover the pan and melt the cheese over low heat. Put completed the spicy spaghetti in a bowl and spread parmesan cheese. The moment I eat spaghetti with more parmesan cheese, I think I will be addicted to the spicy taste. It is very delicious. Adjust the sauce for the spicy taste. Add the same amount of soy sauce, sugar, red pepper paste, red pepper powder, and minced garlic. How about hot 닭갈비 spaghetti? Please enjoy the spicy spaghetti flavor with cheese using your favorite chicken part. Please give me feedback. If you leave a comment, I will make a better video by referring to the content's creation. Please subscribe, like, and notification alarm. Cheer up everyone. 아자 아자. See you again. Bye.